Hello, my name is Santiago. This presentation provides an executive overview of a proposed enterprise data management, or EDM, plan for Amazon. The intent is to explain why a modern EDM architecture is necessary, how it will be designed, and what value it brings to the organization. This presentation builds directly on a technical white paper, and it is structured to help leadership understand the solution from both a strategic and technical perspective. Amazon operates across multiple complex systems that support recruiting, workforce management, logistics, and operations. These systems were developed at different times and often function independently, which create data silos. As a result, reporting becomes inconsistent. Data quality varies across departments, and analytics efforts require significant manual reconciliation. Without a centralized EDM framework, decision makers may rely on delayed or incomplete information, which limit agility and increase operation risk. The primary goal of this EDM initiative is to align Amazon data asset with its business intelligence objective. By centralizing data into a governed environment, the organization can establish standardized metrics and consistent definitions across teams. This enables faster analytics, improve trust in report, and ensure leadership decisions are based on reliable and timely information. Ultimately, the EDN platform supports strategic planning, workforce optimization, and long-term scalability. The proposed EDN solution is based on the Kimball dimensional modeling methodology, which is specifically designed for analytics and reporting. In this model, data is organized around business process rather than application. For Amazon, the selected business process is talent acquisition. The grading of the modeling is defined as a one applicant per job requisition, which allows precise tracking of recruitment performance. This structure is intuitive for both technical team and business user. At the center of the dimensional model is the fact table, which capture measurable recruitment events such as time to hire, stage duration, and hiring outcome. Surrounding dimensions tables provide descriptive context, including applicant detail, job requisition, recruiter, sourcing channels, and date. This design allows Amazon to easily analyze hiring efficiency, recruitment performance, and sourcing effectiveness across region and time period. It is important to distinguish between schema and architecture in a data warehouse environment. The schema represents the logical organization of data, such as fact and dimension tables and their relationship. Architecture, on the other hand, refers to the physical system, tools, and platforms that move and store data. Separating this concept allows Amazon to modernize infrastructure over time without disrupting analytical models. The proposed architecture is a cloud native and designed for scalability. Data flow from operational sources system into a staging area, where ETL process extract, transform, and validate the data. One process, the data is loaded into a centralized cloud data warehouse such as Amazon Redshift or Snowflake. Business intelligence tool then access the curate data to deliver dashboard reports and self-service analytic. The data journey begins at operational systems like applicant tracking and HR platform. Data is extracted in a scheduled or near real-time interval to minimize operational impact. During transformation, data is cleaned, standardized, and deduplicated. Validation rules ensure accuracy and completeness before data is loaded into the warehouse. This control pipeline ensures the analytic output are trustworthy and consistent across the organization. Successfully, EDM implementation requires a focused project team. Key roles include a data architect to design the system, data engineers to build the ETL pipeline, bioanalytics to create reports, and a project manager to oversee delivery. A phased rollout over 6 to 9 months reduces risk while delivering incremental value. Cloud infrastructure further control costs by allowing resources to scale based on demand. In conclusion, the proposed EDM solution provides significant operational and strategic benefit. Centralized and governed data reduce reporting redundancy and improve decision-making speed. Leadership gain visibility into workforce performance and hiring efficiency, enabling better planning and optimization. Over time, the scalable architecture support advanced analytics and predict modeling. This initiates position data as long-term strategic asset for Amazon.